Okay, the question number three. From the top of a cliff 60 meters high, the angles of depression of the top and bottom of a tower are observed to be 45-degree and 60-degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So cliff labina ta yang sarbutinde. 디 토제 가감스레라나 미터 죽주 이거지네 마테비나 아니 tower 지기 top down tower 디기 bottom 답이나 아니 먼저 angle of depression 디 45 degree 다 60 degree 차그레스 지나 tower 디기 토제 가감스레라 제자 당무 먼저 다 GTV나 okay 당 먼저 angles of depression 쓰고요 당위라 we need a horizontal line 제자 x the horizontal line. So angle of depressions of the top and bottom of a tower. So the 45 degree, that's 60 degree, which is the angle of depression, the 45 degree, the 60 degree. Now the triangle forms here. Then we join this. 제가 아주 가르쳐오래. Height of the tower. 세오래. Okay, 제가 아주 될 민다위는 A, B, C, D, and E. E is a point. Okay, and the cliff height is 60 meters. 제자당 아주 가르쳐오는 뒤세오라. So in triangle, in the angle the 45 degree in AX the DE la parallel. 제자 the angle the 45 and AX the CB the parallel and AC the transversal in the angle the 60 degrees. 제자 angle the 안도 나눠내용으로. 제자 또 당위에 triangle 체대 체비나 in triangle ABC 먼저 사이드 디페지체우리 AB the opposite ray and BC adjacent. Opposite divided by adjacent equals to 10. The angle is 60 degree. So 10 60 degree the root 3 chair and opposite is 60 meters divided by adjacent the BC. 제자 BC equals to 60 upon root 3. Then the rationalize root 3 and root 3. So 60 root 3. Root 3 means 3. So they cancel out 20. 제장zul라 BC equals to 20 root 3 meter. Now BC tang DE ni ringdu jibuji can. 제자 we can write DE is equal to 20 root 3 meter. 다 the triangle 충어디나 답이나 ADE 나올이야. DE 비 먼저 하고 그러까지래 20 root 3 meter. 다 먼저 AE 디 세우. 그죠? 그래서 in triangle ADE AE the opposite ray, DE the adjacent. Opposite divided by adjacent equals to 10. Angle is 45. 1045. So 1045 value is 1 ray and then opposite is AE. AE divided by DE. No? So DE tabla kajilena tilu. So 1 equals to AE upon 20 root 3. So cross multiply. AE is equals to 20 root 3 meter. 당아주 가르쳐오려나 the height DC. So the DC the EB ni parallel 제장 군이 링도 지구 지견 제장 아주 EB 제나 EB the DC 지구 지견 so EB the 가지르라나 60 meter minus this so in figure H is equals to EB okay so EB equals to 60 minus AE and AE we found out here so equals to 60 minus 20 root 3 okay and here root 3 sablang ajo kharelyang gorelana take root 3 equals to 1.73 it becomes 60 minus 20 into 1.73 so equals to 60 minus multiply we get a 34.6 and then subtract and get 25.4 H so H is the height of tower therefore height of tower is 25.4 meters.